Daneli Acoustics HD-67 Advanced Home Theater Speakers Solution. Total watts, 2500 watts. Center surround speakers, 400 watts. Subwoofer watts, 500 watts. Accessories, audio cable and wireless remote. Internal optimization. Designed to fit your home. The neutral tones, and soft angle geometry of the CN6 will complement any surroundings while enveloping you in sound. System specification: 1200 watts total system power. Subwoofer output power 500 watts. Complete 6-piece surround system. Front center surround output power 5 by 400 watts each. Subwoofer, 10-inch subwoofer. Driver units, 2 by 10. Sensitivity, 90 decibels/1 watt/1 meter. Nominal impedance, 8 ohms. Center surround speakers, driver units, 4x, 3+1. Frequency response, 80 Hz 20 kHz plus 3 decibels. Sensitivity, 88 decibels/1 watt/1 meter. Nominal impedance, 48 ohms. Accessories: wireless ear remote, composite audio cable, manual. Install these speakers in a home theater room made for a customer and they sound amazing. The quality of the materials and components are superb and they are very easy to install. Awesome speakers, very loud and easy setup. The entire system can handle 2500 watts of power with slightly tapered faceplate edges. The edge diffraction is suppressed for a clear and natural sound stage. Every night feels like movie night when your favorite movies are presented in breathtakingly full HD TV audio. Amp up powerhouse performances and gripping action sequences with 1500 watts of 5.1 ch HD surround sound too. Your friends and family will be your biggest fans. For more information, please click the description link.